Alright, we're going to do the first mod to the Jeep. I say mod, but it's not really a mod. I mean, kind of. We're doing LED license plate lights. Actually, I already have them. I'm going to take them out of the Altima because why not? Same thing. So I'm going to take them out of the Altima, put them in the Jeep. It's very simple, and this video is probably going to be very short. But anyway, as you can see, the Jeep's not here yet. My wife's actually at work, and well, on her way home now. But anyways, first things first, I gotta move the Altima because well, you can't see it, but it's kind of in the snow. It's been there since we bought the Jeep, and I'm gonna move my Titan in its spot and just switch them around, and that way I can get to the lights easier. And also I need to clean out the Altima because we're selling it because I don't need it. I don't have a use for it, and it's just kind of sitting around. So it's for sale. If anybody wants it, $6,500. It's yours. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, because I don't want it anymore. All right, so I was totally going to do a cold start of the Titan and the Altima, as you can see how it's in the snow. But I totally forgot. I even brought my other GoPro out, and I totally forgot. Anyway, surprised they both started because neither one of these have ran, well, my truck longer than the Altima, but since we got the Jeep. So I was surprised that they started. Well, at least my truck. The car, it always does. But anyways, it was like 50 degrees yesterday, and I think it's 50 again today. Pretty close, so it's not like it's cold or anything, but I'm gonna get the truck moved, and then hopefully I can get the Altima out of there. I don't know if it'll come out of there, but I'm gonna give it a heck anyway, and yeah, then we'll get on the quote-unquote mod for that. Well, I already told you guys, so we'll get on the lights. Yeah. So here's what they look like before in the daytime, just crappy. And then so whether you're doing this in a Jeep or an Altima, which is what this is right now, all you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. You just pop these out. That one, the one over there, you know, just about halfway, and then fold this down. And then I'll show you guys in a second. Alright, once you have those off, you can just pull this down, and then you have access to the license plate lights. And right here, you just quarter turn, and they come right out. So I'm gonna pull these out, and then we'll move over to the Jeep. Okay, so in the Jeep, you're just gonna need to stick the flathead in there. There's a little pin you push, and it'll come right out. So I can't do it while I'm holding the camera and the door down, so stand by. Okay, so it's out. You literally just pull it out then. Oh, the door's going up. And then a quarter turn on that, and it'll pull right out. It's hard to do with one hand though. Yep, can't do it with one hand. Alright, so once you do the quarter turn, this housing will come right out like so. And then you just have to pull the bulb out, just like we did on the other side. Now there's nothing wrong with these bulbs, just changing them because I feel like it. So once you get the new bulb in, you're gonna want to just turn the light on and check it before you put it back together. And it works, so I'm gonna put it back together, and then I'll show you guys the difference between that one and that one, which I'm sure you can already tell. Alright, there's your comparison. As you can tell, the last fit one is so much freaking brighter than this. But yeah, I'm gonna put the other one in, and then put these old bulbs back in the Altima because that thing's for sale, and I don't need a minute. They look cooler in this anyways. So yeah. Alright, so it's 100% that freaking easy. If you have the Jeep, you just push the unlock button, and they'll come on. But there you have it. I'll come back out at night because I believe I have a night shot up before. I'll put that in right now, and then the this when it gets dark out. Alright, so it's literally that simple. Now I'll make sure they work, and that'll be it. Alright, so putting them back in the Ultima is literally simple. You just push the bulb in there, line it up obviously, quarter turn in on both sides, and they'll work. And you put everything back in, just like that. And then it goes in that hole right there. This is kind of hard to watch through the camera and do at the same time, but trying to do it for you guys. I literally can't see what I'm doing. There we go. So it's in there, and then just quarter turn. That's it. That side's done. So I'll do this side, and then you just put these clips. You just put these clips back in, and you're done. And as you can see, they work. They're terrible. Halogens suck, but whatever. Like I said, this car's for sale, so